Hey guys, today is September 26th, about 10 a.m. Temperature, let's call it 85 degrees already. Blah. It's gonna be a bright sunny day in Vegas. I want to take a look at the Resorts World Las Vegas and see what's going on. I think I haven't been there about a month or so, and things have been moving and grooving. Now, first up, as you can see, I'm focused on the pool area, and there are some, looks like palm trees that have already been planted, but they are still wrapped up. You know, they haven't let their fronds, I guess that's the word, fronds out. But if you look to the left a little bit, you can see, I didn't bring my zoom lens, you guys. You can see the head of a palm tree right there. All right, let's go over the details. So for those of you who don't know, this is a $4.3 billion project which opens summer 2021. They will have a 117,000 square foot casino, 200,000 square foot pool area, and the Boring Company will connect the People Mover to the convention center. Construction to start on that part at the end of 2020. And this is something I just read recently. They will introduce the Crockfords into Las Vegas. Now the Crockfords, apparently they're a super high-end luxury hotel. Now in Resorts World Las Vegas, they will have approximately 230 lavish guest rooms and suites, a nice discreet check-in. The Crockford Superior guest rooms will be about 550 square feet, okay? And they have suites of 1 to 3 bedrooms of 1,000 square feet to about 3,000 square feet. Now they'll have a presidential suite of 4,000 square feet of luxury. Now there will be 2 pool villas and 2 palaces, ranging from 3,300 to 7,000 square feet. They will have an outdoor garden and terrace, if you can believe that. Then they have this thing called the Chairman's Villa, 6,000 square foot item, panoramic views of the strip, so they'll be facing south, with a beautiful show kitchen with the highest end appliances and a private karaoke room. How you like them apples? I was surprised about the karaoke room because, you know, I just did not expect that. You know, I really didn't expect that. But I guess if there's gonna be a demand for it, and this chairman room was 6,000 square feet, you know, it's gonna cost a pretty penny per night. All right, you guys, things looking good. Like I said, Saturday morning, and the team is out here working hard. There are little tractors running around and little carriers moving around, carrying things. So it's like a good day for the guys to work, you know? It's always good to see the construction work going on. All right. Okay, so let's keep on moving and grooving. And as you can see, they have the, as pointed out before, there is the Resorts World sign. Once again, I didn't bring a zoom lens today, guys. I should have, because I wanted to get a close-up of these palm trees. And that is the pool area, I believe, or part of the pool area. That 200,000 square foot section. Yeah, it's looking really, really good. All right, let's keep moving around. Okay, like I said, it is September 26th, and it's the first weekend after like something of the grand reopening of bars. So from what I read, a lot of hotels are pretty crowded this weekend, but it is just only 10 in the morning, so a lot of folks are not out, but there are a lot of folks who are out. And in fact, when I walked past Tacos El Gordo at about 9:30 or so, there was a line forming already. So how about that? Now this section of the resort, I believe, will be some retail, high-end, as always, high-end retail outlets. And this place will open up in September, so I keep saying September, will open up mid-2021, looking towards July. And so far from what I've read, they are still on schedule to open. I haven't seen anything which says they are not going to open or delay the opening and that sort of thing. So as far as right now, today that I know, everything's on schedule, and July 2021 should be the grand opening. Now you see they are fixing the street over here. I'm not sure if it's drainage or what, or adding new light poles and so on, which makes sense if you're going to put it in a $4.3 billion resort on a street. You would like the front of it to look nice and, you know, somewhat cleaned up. So that's been going on for a while over here. Okay, looking good though, yeah? She looks good. Man, I'm so mad I forgot to bring a zoom today. Oh well. C'est la vie. Oh, I mentioned karaoke earlier, and speaking of karaoke, so I went into the Palazzo last week just to, have a little roam around, and they've opened up a new karaoke shop called Kamu, K-A-M-U. So, I like going places. So I went over there, and I asked them, well, what do you guys got? Oh, we have so many songs, sir. Every song we have in our books and blah, blah. Okay, fine. I said, well, the important question in my brain, well, how much does it cost here? And I said, well, for one person, I wasn't making the video, right? So one person for a room, it's $70 for the hour. Okay, fine, whatever, okay. And then I said, well, how much are the drinks? And I said, well, how much is a Jack Coke? One Jack Coke will cost you $25 for one Jack Coke. That is the most expensive Jack Coke I've seen in Vegas. $25. And they also have bottle service, like $300 for your tequila bottles and that sort of thing, So it's really a high-end, if you don't have any money or if you aren't on the expense account, don't bother showing up place, which surprised me. I didn't expect to be that high-end. So anyway, so for those of you who are rolling in dough and love karaoke or on a business expense, hey, Kamu is there. Drag me along. I ain't paying, but drag me along and I will come by and help you sing a few songs, all right? All right. So we're on the strip right now. Let's keep moving down, get more shots of the resorts for Las Vegas. Let's go. Hey, I forgot I have my old point and shoot in my backpack, and that has a decent zoom on it, so I'll try to get a zoom shot of this guy welding and see how that turns out. Alright, kind of lucked out. And once again, this side facing the strip will house the high-end retail outlets. West Tower, there is that 100,000 square foot screen, which does show gorgeous images when they're in the testing phase. Looks really nice. I wonder, how good it will get. Now, I think you can make it out, but there are rows of holes. Sounds funny, right? Hope you can make it out. There are rows of holes on this red column right here. This is going to be the 19,000 square foot video screen. Will go on this side of the project, of the resort. So you have your 100,000 square foot screen on the West Tower, and then you have this 19,000 square foot, slim version of a screen or narrow screen on the East Tower along the side. So it should be interesting when they start installing this. Okay, so now I'm in the Peppermill parking lot, and today the Peppermill is doing a very good business. Check it out. So here's the Peppermill and their parking lot. So well done to them, doing good business today. So they probably slammed. There's a line outside also. All right, so it's good. So this is the northern side of the Resorts World Las Vegas. I know, just have a peek at it. And there are some lines going, oh, you can see them. Just as with the this future home with the video screen, and there are some lines going down with cranes on top, presumably to tote things up to the top, some sort of equipment. All right. So overall, I think the project is looking good. Well, what do I know, right? To me, it's looking good. I hope it's on time. I hope it's I hope it's busy, and I hope the money's okay and they don't get screwed up anyway. All that good stuff. All right, you guys, that just would do it for our talk on Resorts World today. I do hope it opens on time, and I hope the finances are okay and enough people can come in here, and the this pandemic has gone down quite a bit. So let's all hope for the best. Like I said, $4.3 billion project. Like I said, it was surprising with the karaoke room and the chairman's, I guess it's called the chairman's suite, the chairman's villa, which surprised me. All right, you guys. Anyway, that about do it. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever. Have a great day. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna show you one more thing I want to show you before I get out of here. You see, I got a mask in my hand too. All right. Check this out. All right, so as you guys know, Vegas has bollards up and down the strip for protection from any kind of wild drivers or any kind of people wanting to do evil. So here they are before they're installed into the ground. And as you can see, here's the top part, and then as you can see, there is the bottom part of them, right? Where you can, where they stay in the cement, the part you don't see. I thought it was interesting because I hadn't seen these before. I've seen it before today, but I hadn't brought the camera over to get a closer look for you guys. So anyway, those are bollards. All right, you guys, everyone take care wherever you are, stay out of trouble and all that good stuff, all right?